Okay, so we are back on Alaska Street. We just finished looking at the Reed Falls and also the cemetery. And our next stop is on 7th Avenue. From here, we're on the 23rd Avenue. So it's around a bit over 10, maybe like 15 blocks that we have to walk. Yeah, so see you there. This is the river that we that comes from the fall that we just visited. So that's good to know. And it's freezing right now. So on Alaska and 12th Avenue, you actually come to basically the smallest airport I've ever seen. Yeah. Restricted area, authorized personnel only. And this is the runway. Look both ways. There you go. Oh, you careful. Yeah. Bus coming. Cute dog, but cuter chickens. Never seen chickens in the backyard before. Okay, let's not piss off the dog too much. But yeah. Going in the Alaska Commercial Companies. See what specialties they have in here. Looks pretty basic, but we'll let you know if there's anything interesting. Our first Alaskan food truck, Fork in the Road. It's not open right now, but they do sell burgers for 30 USD. The mermaid burger. Pretty expensive, right, Kayla? Yeah. Wondering where everyone filled up gas since we didn't find any gas stations. Seems like we found one. It's very ghetto though. Look at it. There's one gas station. 2 pumps. For the entire town.
And you can also rent Avis right across.
Yeah, Avis Jeeps.
That looks like
bumper to bumper.
And tracks and SUVs.
Okay, on State and First, this is the landmark. It's called Fatal Duel. Ow, ow, ow. Anyways, Frank Reed was the good guy. Smith was the bad guy. They fought each other. Frank died. Smith died shortly after. July 8th, 1898. This is 100 years and 11 days before I was born. Fun fact. But yeah, just so you know. That's our last stop, by the way, so we're going back to the cruise.
That's the walking tour.
What a day.
Yeah, we did a lot of walking. Like, we walked over like 25 blocks.
So this train-like thing is actually a snowplow. Makes sense because Alaska has so much snow. But yeah, I've never seen a snowplow look like that. If you don't believe me, here it is, plowing ahead. And you can pause the screen right here. This is the Skagway Centennial Statue, 1897. Skagway is named after an Indian word meaning windy, which makes sense because it's hella windy here. Okay, this is the lineup to get onto the Connings Dam. We're actually docked, not off of port, so everyone has to take a small boat to get on.
Yeah, it's called tendering.
Tendering, yeah. Okay, so we just finished doing our quick shower. Yes. And here's Kayla. And now we're gonna get some food, some dinner at the dining room because it's 7:30 and that's our resume time.
So this is the
wild Alaskan salmon
chowder.
Smoked salmon chowder. This is the whiskey slash. Wanna try it out?
This is a French onion soup.
I got potatoes. Delicious.
And this is my French onion soup. Yay!
Sing show. Let's see how busy it is. Oh, it's busy. We ordered dinner time 11 p.m. room service.
Ooh, this looks really good.
Rigatoni. There's also Black Panther playing in the background. No copyright, please. Chicken nuggets. Chicken noodle soup. And what's in this?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.